at a rest stop somewhere in Hungary. We got on the bus in Zagreb for this 4.5-hour bus ride to Budapest so we can catch a train from Budapest to Bucharest, which is a 17.5-hour train ride. We thought it would be fun when we bought it, and it saved us like $100 also, compared to a flight. In the meantime, we got some coffee for the first time. Have you drank coffee today?
No.
Oh, I'm looking forward to this. I keep falling for this. I think that it's just regular coffee, like plain coffee. This is milky. Why don't they just make black coffee in container form? It's frustrating. What else did I have to say? Passports. Most countries require at least one full blank page in your passport for their visa. It's not that their visa is going to take up the whole page, it's just that they require it upon entry. Ofer's passport only has one blank page left, so every border control we've been to has been a little intense because we're nervous. We did put post-it notes in there to ask them not to stamp on that passport page, and they've been really nice so far, and they're trying to squeeze it in every last little bit, but we still have 3 more stamps just today to go through. Why do they do this to coffee?
Look at that beauty.
We're on the Ister night train going from Budapest to Bucharest. We just got on. We're in a private 2-person cabin. There's a sink. We're right next to the bathroom, which is less than ideal. Overall, though, I think we're gonna be just fine in here.
We have our earplugs.
Yeah, because you can definitely hear some noises coming from next door. We've definitely been on worse vessels of transportation, but I think the noise from the surrounding rooms is probably my biggest concern right now. This is a 17.5-hour train, so people are probably going to sleep at some point.
Yeah.
But it is definitely an older. You can tell it's a bit older.
Yeah. It's definitely. This is not the first.
This is not his maiden voyage. Yeah.
Subway.
We're moving.
We took this.
Ofer hurt his back, so he is so excited to just lay flat for 17 hours. And we got some snacks, a couple beers.
Slightly cheaper.
Well, they just came around and checked our tickets, that's all. That's why we changed. So we're on the top bunk now. Hopefully it holds.
Yep. Getting locked up for...
No, what is it though?
I don't know.
Is it a mouse dropping? Because I would have liked to have known that.
It might have been a mouse dropping. We'll switch pillows. I don't know what to tell you. You can have this is another pillow. You can have my pillow.
That sucks. Someone's smoking a cigarette.
I didn't sleep as well. I kept waking up. There's a lot of noises. There's some interesting smells. And my back has gotten worse.
It's definitely an older train. It definitely needs an update and an upgrade. We do have a little like wash basin in here, but it's really not good for much. I also don't trust the water coming out of there, so I like use some bottled water to brush my teeth. The doors lock, which is nice for added comfort, for like peace of mind at night.
The potential mouse droppings. That may or may not have been.
There's no toilet paper in the bathroom. Bring your own toilet paper. Also, there's no dining car. When we boarded, they said that there might be a dining car by morning time. It's like you could try at 6 a.m. I didn't wake up at 6 a.m. I haven't gone to look. I figured it's not really worth it.
There's no outlet.
There's no outlet. Yeah, so when you book the ticket, it tells you that there's an outlet in here. There is no outlet. For a shaver, there's an outlet, but not for like something that you actually need to charge.
All in all, it was a good trip. I enjoyed it. Things that were pointing out that this place is lacking when you compare it to an economy class flight, where you're just like stuck in the seat. Ultimately, this is still much better. It's a lot more spacious. You can lie down flat. You have your own sink, even if it's not great.
Yeah.
And you also then you can save money on a hotel
You can
because
also
you have a full night sleep on the train.
That's true. I do feel pretty well rested, all things considered.
We're waiting for a car to take us to our Airbnb in Bucharest.